Well, we destroyed it already because we got in super late. But look at, it's our cabin. So check out our shower. It does have hot water, powered by propane, but you pull this little handle. And this lever, like, slowly administers the water.
Down to Cedar Ridge. It's a long way down.
Down the South Kaibab Trail. We've both never walked down into the Grand Canyon before.
Oh, and now we got to go all the way back up. So it was like an hour and a half down.
Yeah, we did the easy part already. Now the work begins.
This is going to be tough. We did.
We destroyed the Grand Canyon. We made the Grand Canyon our little bitch. We went everywhere.
2 major hikes, lots of side trips, lots and lots of side trips. Yeah, it was awesome. 25,000 steps.
I think I got like 27, 28.
Yeah.
But who's counting?
Legs. It was good.
Saw bighorn sheep.
Yeah, very big.
Yeah, and made some squirrel friends. Yeah, it was a pretty good day.
That's awesome. My back's destroyed.
On to the next part. Who needs to walk when you've got a man slave? Take me to my chateau.